Set out on the DIY publishing path, and there are a few things you should know. First of all, you won't be stocking up on paper and binding glue. You'll be using one of the many online publishers that lets you publish for free or for a small fee. In just a few steps, you make yourself a published author. But is it right for you? That depends. If you are the kind of author that likes to stay in control of all aspects of your book and wants fast, affordable publishing, then DIY might be a good option. But you also might be limited to ebook only formatting and distribution. So to review, DIY publishing is inexpensive and fast. You stay in control but may lose out on formatting, wide distribution, and other important services. Check out the other publishing paths before deciding if DIY is right for you.